A very good morning to all my lovely Patans. So I am back with your computer class. So in the last class we have completed the book exercise of chapter 9 Internet, and today we are going to do its short question answers. Okay. So everyone just take out your computer notebooks and keep your stationery ready with you. In the heading you will give the chapter name along with the chapter number, chapter 9 in the bracket, write down Internet. Then in the next line write down short answer questions and just leave 2 lines and then write down the first question. Okay, first short answer question. So let's start the question answers. So now let's start. So like I have written date, then chapter name, and then you have to write fifth part short answer questions. In the next line you will write the first short answer question. What do you understand by internet? So इंटरनेट से आप क्या समझते हैं? इंटरनेट क्या है? इंटरनेट इज़ द लार्जेस्ट कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क which connects millions of computer through telephone lines and cables. एक लार्जेस्ट कंप्यूटर का नेटवर्क जिसमें मिलियंस ऑफ कंप्यूटर को हम कनेक्ट करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ टेलीफोन लाइंस एंड केबल्स. ओके, सो एवरीवन जस्ट राइट डाउन विद मी. Internet is the largest computer network that connects millions of computers through telephone lines and cables. Okay, so everyone just write down in your computer notebooks and write the spellings carefully. Don't do any spelling mistake while writing. So those who are done, they can leave one line and write down the second question. Define web browser, give one example. सो वेब ब्राउज़र को डिफ़ाइन करना है और उसका एक एग्जाम्पल देना है. ओके, सो हम यहाँ पे एक से ज़्यादा एग्जाम्पल लिखेंगे बिकॉज अगर एग्ज़ाम में आपसे एक से ज़्यादा पूछे गए सो दैट यू कैन राइट. ओके, सो वेब ब्राउज़र क्या है? वेब ब्राउज़र इज़ अ सॉफ्टवेयर जो हमें अलाउ करता है इंटरनेट को एक्सेस करने में. जो इंटरनेट पे इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल होती है अलग अलग वेबसाइट्स पे, उसको एक्सेस करने में, यानी कि उस इंफॉर्मेशन तक पहुंचने में जो हमें हेल्प करता है, दैट इज़ द वेब ब्राउज़र. ओके, सो फर्स्ट राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन. So we'll write here, a web browser is a software that allows us to access the information available on different websites. Okay, now we have to write the example. So we'll write the example in the next line. Web browser examples are Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. So we'll write Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and you can write here Safari, or you can also write Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so now write down fast, and those who had written, they will write the next question. Define home page. So now we have to define home page. Home page क्या होता है? Home page is the first page of any website. किसी भी वेबसाइट को जब आप ओपन करते हो और जो फर्स्ट पेज आप देखते हो, that is the home page, or we can also say main page. Okay, so we'll write down here, home page is the first page, is the first page we see when we open any website. Okay, so this is answer 3, and those who are written, they can write the next question, that is question number 4. What are search engines? Give one example. So again we are going to give more examples. So search engine क्या होता है? बेसिकली सर्च इंजन वो प्रोग्राम है जो इन्फॉर्मेशन को सर्च करता है. किसी भी टॉपिक पे हमें कोई भी इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए, सो उसको सर्च करने में, फाइंड आउट करने में जो हमें हेल्प करता है, दैट इज़ द सर्च इंजन. ओके, एग्जाम्पल गूगल, याहू, बीइंग. ओके, इसके अलावा भी काफ़ी एग्जाम्पल्स होते हैं. ओके, विकीपीडिया, ask.com, like that. So write down the question first. So we'll write search engines are the programs that searches information on a desired topic. Desired topic means जो टॉपिक, जिस भी टॉपिक पे हमें इंफॉर्मेशन फाइंड आउट करनी है उस टॉपिक पे. ओके, now we'll write the example. Examples are Google, Yahoo, Bing. Okay, okay, so everyone write it down. If anyone is having any query, किसी को कोई भी डाउट हो, कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो, you can ask related to the question answers or related to the book exercise or related to the chapter, you can ask. Okay, so you have to complete these question answer in your computer notebook and don't do any spelling mistake while writing. Okay, and tomorrow keep your notebooks ready. We are going to do long answer questions of this chapter along with the revision worksheet of chapter 5 and 7. Okay, so till then, take care. Thank you.